daan ng daan.
Ay, mali po. Yung mali sa atin. Si Neneng, pinfix din ako.
Oo naman, anak naman eh.
Your question is, if you were given $1 million for your school, what will you do with it and why?
If I have $1 million,
Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pakatagal. Bea.
to improve
Bea, oh.
Kaya ako tanda na daan.
and
Hirap ng pwesto.
the education of our
Kung
school.
meron ka ng $100 million,
Thank you very much.
for the school.
As now validate number 2. Question is, if you were given $1 million for your school, what will you do with it and why?
Patay.
Candidate number 3. First question is, if you were given $1 million for your school, what will you do with it and why?
I will donate some to those children in the charity because, of course, I'm not the one who works the right to study. So I will give chance to others to have
Next, welcome candidate number 4. Question is, if you were given $1 million for your school, what will you do with it and why?
First of all, I would like to acknowledge the presence of my family, the judges, and my co-professional lives.
Nice.
Well,
Woo!
$1 million is really a great amount. Of course, I will save it for the future expenses that we'll have for the betterment of the school. That's all. Thank you.
Woo! Nice, Tita!
Last number 4, candidate number 5. If you were given $1 million for your school, what will you do with it and why?
Why? Because I like it.
Before I answer that question, I would like to wish each and every one of you a wonderful afternoon. If I will be given $1 million, I will use it to renovate the school and make it more beautiful. And I will also give the money left to the needy children because I'm not the only one who has the opportunity to study in this school.
May we now call on candidate number 6. Your question is, if you are given $1 million for your school, what will you do with it and why?
Thank you for the question. Before I answer that, I want to greet everyone of you.
Ginaya na.
I want to greet everyone of you a blessed afternoon. If I were given $1 million for my school, I want to donate some for the renovations of the school, and I want to donate some incomplete budgets or facilities for the use of the educational
Nanginginig na nga, oh.
the educational year in the school.
Yun, ay naman. Nanangit na nga ako eh.
Yung candidate. Let us now move on to candidate number 7.
Kabado si Nico.
Your candidate.
Huwag ka malikot.
Your question is, if you were given $1 million for your school, what will you do with it and why?
First of all, thank you for the question. A pleasant afternoon to all of you. I will give you $1 million. I will use it for school.